Hello. It is really cold. It is really cold in Delhi, and I don't know what is the temperature. I think it's colder than in Manali. It's so cold. I don't know. I mean, sometimes it even snows in certain places, and it's not as cold as it is in Delhi right now. And I've been cold the whole day, and I couldn't get myself to record videos earlier. But we have to do, like, yesterday I missed the thought of the day video. That's why I've kept a buffer of 5 to 6 days in a month, and the idea is to record at least 25 days a month. So if in a month of 30 days, even if I miss 5 days, in a month of 31 days, even if I miss 6 days, we will have videos 25 days a month. So that is the idea, because because the good thing about these videos is that I'm trying to grow through these videos. I'm trying to help you learn something through these videos, and they are worthy effort. Even if it's a tough effort, even if it's a slow effort, but it is a worthy effort, and we should only do things which are worthy efforts in life. It just makes sense. So the thought of the day, right? So the thought of the day is on criticism. The thought of the day is on criticism. It's quite a popular thought. I just didn't know the author of the thought, and I just opened the book and I found this thought. It's quite a popular thought, and it says to avoid criticism. To avoid criticism, do nothing, say nothing, and be nothing. It is by Albert Hubbard. It says to avoid criticism, do nothing, say nothing, and be nothing, which basically means that in case you attempt anything worthwhile in the world, you attempt anything worthwhile, you will be criticized. So the moment you start doing something, every action of yours is subject to criticism. The only people who are not criticized are the ones who do nothing, because that's the only way. In fact, the ones who do nothing get criticized for doing nothing. So even doing nothing is an act of doing something, which is doing nothing. So it takes a lot of work to actually do nothing. So everybody eventually gets criticized, even people who do nothing. So to avoid criticism, do nothing, say nothing, and be nothing. So in case you are not doing certain things in life because you're scared what will people say about you, what will people think about you, just go ahead and do them, because even the most successful people on earth, even people who made the world a better place in many ways, consider people like Jeff Bezos, consider people like Elon Musk, consider the finest writers in the world. Everybody gets criticized, everybody gets trolled on platforms like Twitter every day. No matter who you are, you will be criticized. So just take it as a part of life, and do what makes sense to you. Do what you think is a worthy effort, because that's what we are here for, to do something worthy and try and make the world a better place. All right, so that is the thought of the day, and I hope you like this new thing that I've got, because it's really cold, so I wanted something that covers my forehead and my ears. So I hope you appreciate the look, and if you don't appreciate the look, you should maybe improve your sense of fashion. Or that is a casual stupid comment, but that is the thought of the day. To avoid criticism, do nothing, say nothing, be nothing. Do not be scared of criticism. Just do what you really want to do. All right.